Hair Care Secrets for Long, Strong, and Gorgeous Hair. A comprehensive guide. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of achieving long, strong, and absolutely stunning hair. Whether you're dreaming of luscious locks that turn heads or just want to boost the health of your hair, this guide has you covered. We'll explore everything from scalp care to diet tips, DIY treatments, and more. So, grab a cozy seat, get comfortable, and let's embark on this hair journey together. Ensure you watch to the end to get all the tips. Segment 1. The Foundation, Scalp Care. 1. Why scalp care is crucial. Your scalp is the soil in which your hair grows. For your hair to thrive, your scalp needs to be healthy. Think of it as the foundation of your hair care routine. Tip 1. Wash your scalp regularly with a mild shampoo to keep it clean. Balance is key. Don't overwash, as it can strip away natural oils. Tip 2. Exfoliate your scalp once a week to remove dead skin cells and product buildup. This keeps your follicles clear and promotes healthy growth. 2. The magic of scalp massages. Regular scalp massages are not just relaxing. They also boost blood circulation, which can significantly enhance hair growth. Tip 1. Spend 5 to 10 minutes massaging your scalp daily using your fingertips. This helps nourish your hair follicles. Tip 2. For an extra boost, add a few drops of essential oils like rosemary or peppermint to your scalp massage oil. These oils are known for their hair growth-stimulating properties. Segment 2. Wash and condition like a pro. 1. The right products matter. Choosing the right shampoo and conditioner for your hair type is essential. The wrong products can lead to a host of issues, from dryness to breakage. Tip 1. For dry hair, go for moisturizing shampoos and conditioners with ingredients like argan oil or shea butter. Tip 2. If you have oily hair, look for lightweight, volumizing formulas that won't weigh your hair down. 2. How often should you wash your hair? Washing frequency varies by hair type and lifestyle. It's important to find what works best for you. Tip 1. If your hair tends to get greasy quickly, consider using a dry shampoo in between washes. Tip 2. On non-wash days, try rinsing your hair with water and applying a bit of conditioner to the ends to maintain moisture. 3. Proper hair washing techniques. Believe it or not, how you wash your hair can make a big difference. Tip 1. Always start with lukewarm water. Hot water can strip your hair of essential oils. Tip 2. Focus on your scalp when shampooing. Use your fingertips to massage the shampoo into your scalp, then let the lather cleanse the lengths of your hair as you rinse. Tip 3. Apply conditioner from the mid-lengths to the ends, avoiding the scalp, and rinse with cool water to seal the cuticles and add shine. Segment 3. Nourishment from within. 1. The role of diet in hair health. You are what you eat, and so is your hair. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals is crucial for strong, shiny hair. Tip 1. Include plenty of protein-rich foods like eggs, fish, and legumes in your diet. Hair is primarily made of a protein called keratin. Tip 2. Omega-3 fatty acids found in foods like salmon and flax seeds help keep your hair hydrated and shiny. Tip 3. Don't forget vitamins. Leafy greens, berries, and nuts provide essential nutrients like biotin, zinc, and vitamin E that promote hair growth. 2. Hydration is key. Staying hydrated is just as important for your hair as it is for your skin. Tip 1. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to maintain your hair's moisture balance. Tip 2. Incorporate water-rich fruits and vegetables like cucumbers, oranges, and melons into your diet to help keep your hair hydrated from within. Segment 4. Regular trims, a must for growth. 1. The importance of trimming. It might seem counterintuitive, but regular trims are essential for growing long, healthy hair. Tip 1. Get a trim every 8 to 12 weeks to keep split ends at bay and prevent breakage. Tip 2. If you're growing your hair out, ask your stylist to trim just a small amount to maintain the health of your ends. 2. DIY trims at home. If you prefer trimming your hair at home, here's how to do it without causing damage. Tip 1. Use sharp, high-quality shears. Regular scissors can cause split ends and more damage. Tip 2. Trim your hair when it's dry, as this helps you avoid cutting off more than you intended. Take your time and trim small sections at a time. Segment 5. Deep Conditioning and Hair Masks. 1. The benefits of deep conditioning. Deep conditioning treatments can revive dry, damaged hair, leaving it soft, shiny, and manageable. Tip 1. Incorporate a deep conditioning treatment into your routine once a week. This helps to repair damage and nourish your hair from the inside out. Tip 2. For an extra boost, apply your deep conditioner to damp hair, cover it with a shower cap, and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing. 2. DIY hair masks. You don't need to spend a fortune on hair masks. Some of the best ingredients can be found in your kitchen. Recipe 1. Avocado and olive oil mask. Mash 1 ripe avocado and mix it with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Apply to your hair and leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing. Perfect for deep hydration. Recipe 2. Honey and coconut oil mask. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Apply to your hair, focusing on the ends, and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing. This mask adds shine and smoothness. Segment 6. Protect your hair from heat damage. 1. The dangers of heat styling. Heat styling can make your hair look great, but over time it can cause serious damage. Tip 1 ***. Limit the use of heat styling tools to once or twice a week. Tip 2. Always apply a heat protectant spray or serum before using any heat tools to create a barrier that protects your hair from high temperatures. 2. The benefits of air drying. Whenever possible, let your hair air dry to minimize heat damage. Tip 1 After washing, gently squeeze out excess water with a microfiber towel or a soft t-shirt to avoid friction that can lead to frizz. Tip 2. Apply a leave-in conditioner or styling cream to damp hair and let it air dry naturally for soft, frizz-free results. Segment 7. Embrace protective hairstyles. 1. Why protective styles are important. Protective hairstyles help maintain the health of your hair by reducing exposure to environmental damage and minimizing manipulation. Tip 1. Opt for low manipulation hairstyles like braids, twists, or buns to protect your hair from daily wear and tear. Tip 2. Avoid tight hairstyles that put stress on your hair and scalp, as this can lead to breakage and thinning. 2. Nighttime hair care. How you treat your hair while you sleep is crucial for its health. Tip 1. Protect your hair at night by wearing a satin or silk scarf or bonnet. These materials reduce friction and prevent breakage. Tip 2. Alternatively, sleep on a satin or silk pillowcase to keep your hair smooth and tangle-free. Segment 8. Understanding and addressing hair loss. 1. Causes of hair loss. Hair loss can be distressing, but understanding the cause is the first step to addressing it. Tip 1. Common causes of hair loss include genetics, stress, poor diet, and hormonal imbalances. Consult a healthcare professional to determine the underlying cause and explore treatment options. Tip 2. Incorporate hair growth supplements like biotin, zinc, and vitamin D into your routine. Always consult a doctor before starting any new supplement. 2. Natural remedies for hair loss. There are several natural remedies that can help combat hair loss and promote regrowth. Remedy 1. Aloe vera. Known for its soothing properties, aloe vera can help reduce hair loss and promote hair growth. Apply pure aloe vera gel to your scalp, leave it on for 30 minutes, and rinse it off. Remedy 2. Onion juice. Onion juice is rich in sulfur, which can boost blood circulation to the hair follicles. Apply fresh onion juice to your scalp, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then wash it off with a mild shampoo. Recap. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap of what we've covered today. 1. Scalp care. The foundation of healthy hair. Keep your scalp clean, exfoliated, and nourished. 2. Proper washing techniques. Use the right shampoo and conditioner, wash your hair correctly, and don't forget the importance of conditioning. 3. Nourishment from within. A balanced diet and staying hydrated are key to strong, shiny hair. 4. Regular trims. Keep those split ends at bay with regular trims to promote healthy hair growth. 5. Deep conditioning and DIY hair masks. Give your hair the nourishment it needs with regular deep conditioning treatments and homemade masks. 6. Heat styling and protection. Minimize heat damage by using protectants and opting for air drying whenever possible. 7. Protective hairstyles. Reduce hair stress with low manipulation styles and protect your hair at night. 8. Addressing hair loss. Understand the causes of hair loss and explore natural remedies to promote regrowth. Conclusion. And there you have it, our ultimate guide to achieving long, strong, and gorgeous hair. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to hair care. By following these tips and incorporating them into your daily routine, you'll be well on your way to the hair of your dreams. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more hair care secrets. Drop a comment below with your favorite hair care tips or any questions you have. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep those locks luscious and lovely.